Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix microphone and voice chat issues in EA Sports FC26 on PC. Whether you're frustrated because no one can hear you during matches, or you simply want to communicate clearly with your teammates, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open the Start menu and type Control Panel, then click to open it. Once you're there, go to Hardware and Sound, and then select Sound. This is where you manage all your audio devices. So make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any important details. Next, click on the Recording tab to see all your microphones. Select your main mic and then click Set Default to ensure your system prioritizes it for all game and chat functions. Follow any on-screen prompts if they appear. Everything here is straightforward and easy to apply. Now, go back to the Start menu and open Settings. Click on Privacy and Security, then scroll down and select Microphone. Make sure microphone access is enabled, and also turn on Allow apps to access your microphone. This step is very important because if Windows blocks access, EA Sports FC26 won't be able to detect your mic at all. After that, open the Start menu again and type Device Manager. Then open it. Click on Audio Inputs and Outputs. Find your microphone, right-click on it, and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers, and let Windows check for the latest version. Updating the driver can fix many mic detection and voice chat issues instantly. To make the process smoother, double-check that your microphone is properly plugged in, not muted physically, and not being used by another app in the background. Doing this beforehand can save time and help prevent common voice chat problems. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to fix microphone and voice chat problems in EA Sports FC26 without any hassle. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video. If this helped, feel free to share it with a friend who might need it. Why not make their gaming experience a little better?